Hi everybody, in this tutorial video I will go through the relay, our HDL relay module. Here we have in this demo case 4 channel 10 amps relay module. You can see I have the override switch to turn these 4 lights on. We have on off lighting in our demo case. We will try also to configure the channels on our keypad or our DLP. We can turn on and off, and we will show you also how to create scene, how to create sequence, and some more features about the relay. Just for informations, the configurations of the scene, sequence, or even the channel, all HDL modules, dimming, relay 0 to 10 are all same. Even the DMX are all same configurations. A few functions or features are changes between modules to the others, but all of them are the same concept, the same way of programming. We can go here to the software. I will show you how to configure the relay module. We will scan the modules first of all. I got all the modules here on my demo case, online modules. Then I will look for a 4 channel 10 ampere relay shown here. The address of my relay is 120. We can put some remark if we want to locate it. As example, it's fixed on the DB, the first floor, as example. Also, we can change the ID here as usual. If you would like to change the ID of the device, we can change it from here. We have here the same as the dimmer: area, channel, scene, sequence. We'll start by the channel. On a channel, it always show here a number of channels we have. We got its 4 channels. We have also some things called switch on delay, protection delay. We have also some remark if you want to put the name of the channel or the circuit that is connected to this channel number 1 and 2 and 3. The channel we mean by its circuit or whatever loads connected to port number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here remark, you can simply put the remark here as example fan, light 1, light 2, and so on. So this is simply just to define it later on, to know what is exactly connected to it. Also some load type, if you want to define the load type, what type of loads is connected to this relay. This is just for a reference. Nothing will be changed on your relay or functionality or whatever. Here we have switch on delay and protection delay. Where we use the switch on delay and where we use the protection delay. The switch on delay, we use it if we have some operations, some lights or fan or whatever you want. When you switch it on, it takes delay to run. So mainly you can use some 4 second, 3 second or 10 second just to protect your output, like your relay as well as the machine or fan or whatever. So that's where we use the switch on. Protection delay, it's like some things where we put some delay as well, a minute, whatever you turn it off, so it will get to this protective delay on a minute. It always protect, but mainly for light we don't recommend to put any timing on switch on delay or even the protection delay. We have some load test, as we told you usual. We have a load test to define what is connected to each channels. You can simply select channel 1, 2, 3, start here the test, and you can easily define it in your project where is it connected or to where, if you're not using a bad labeling or whatever. So you simply can define the channel from here. Second things, also we can move from here to a scene, to create a scene. The scene we have also more than one. We can create like number 8 scene as example. And in each scene I can select which channel I want it to be on and off. Whatever I call the scene number, it will look for channel 1, 2, 3, the status here is changed on, off, on, off. So as example, let me create the scene number 1. I want all my light to be on, all my output as example to be on. Scene number 2, I want to some on, some off. Scene number 3, some on, some off, some on, or all off, or whatever. So it's up to you how you want to create it. We have also some online output when you can easily see it live when it is on and off. We have some runtime. The runtime, we use it here to takes some time to run when you press the key. And simply, if you want to control single channel light, you simply can select as we show you in the keypad. You can simply go to channel 1, single channel light, and control it on or off. Simply we can go here to the keypad. We have 3K multifunctional keypad here. We can go to key assignations, single on off. If you want to control the relay on off, you simply can go here and put the address of the dimmers or relay, sorry. Then select the channel you want to control, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Then make it on 100% or 0. It doesn't work on 50%, 60 because it's a relay. The relay always we use 0 to 100. Then dim valid, we don't need dim valid because it doesn't dim, it's a relay. Then if you want runtime, we not recommend to put runtime for the relay. Then here we go, it's working as on off. You can see here in my demo case, on off, on off, on off, on off. This is simply to control the channel. You can also, by using combination on off, you can define like 3 to 4 channels if you want them all to run as one time. As example, channel 1, 2, and 3 to run. You can define it here. You go to the same relay, then select single channel on for all of them, then channel 1, 2, and 3. I want all of them to be on when I press the button number 3. Never mind if you keep dimming valid or invalid, but it's better always to keep it invalid for the relay. There we go. Then when I press the button number 3 here, all on, all off, all on, all off. You can see the 3 channels are on and off. This is to control a single channel light. Now let us create a scene. We can create a scene. We'll go back to the channel for channel 10 amp. We can go to scene. And as you can see, we create scene number 1, scene number 2, and scene number 3. Simply, I will make scene number 1 all on, just for a quick demonstrations. Then scene number 2, I will make them as all off. And always, if you look for all off, you can simply use scene number 0 because it's by default is off. We can save it and we can go and call scene number 1 and scene number 2 on our switches. If I go back to the switches here, I will go to key assignations, and of course I will select only single on because it's one command, not like a combination way we created here to make 3 or 4 commands to run it. I will simply now send one command called scene, then it will do the rest of the stuff. I will just go here and change this to scene, area number 1, scene number 1, and I will go to the second buttons and I will call scene number 3 or scene number 2, area 1, scene number 2. Here we go. Now I will go back to the keypad, press the button number 1, all on, all off, all on, all off. Also here, if it's all on, then here I can make off. And I cannot make on because they already select as on. But when I make combination on off or single on off, I can make on and off from the same buttons. So it triggers scene 0 when I press the second time. That's all about the scene. I'll go back to the relay again. To create a sequence, we always talk before about the sequence in the dimmers sections. I will try to do some small programming of we have 4 channels, so I will try to create 4 scenes. 4 scene means I will make the first one, number 1 on, all off. And I will go to the second scene and I will make First one off, second one on, then the rest are off. I will make this third one as number 3 and the last one number 4. Here I will try to define the step or runtime. I'll make it as 0, so I want to make a quick sequence. I'll show you how it works. I'll go to sequence now. In a sequence, I will try to go to sequence and select 4 steps, unlimited, forward mode is correct. I can change between if I would like to have random forward backward, or if I want it to run only for 2 times. I will try to show you how it run only for 2 times. If I use unlimited, it will not stop at all. Now, 2 steps. Then I will try to configure my scene here as 1 second, 1 second for every step to change from scene to scene. Then I will go back to the keypad. Then I will program the first buttons to control the sequence number 1 on the relay area number 1, sequence number 1, then say save. Then when we come back to the switch here, it's simply I will press in the button number 1, the channel number 1 will run for 1 second, then it will goes off and the second one on, then goes off and third one on, and so on. It keep running for 2 times, then it goes off. That's what we call a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's it. So if I press again, it will do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So each second it will change. And if you want to change the delay time, so it will look much better. So it will run, then I can keep it on and then second one. So it's the scene, how you create the scene, how it will react on the sequence. That's all about the, what do we call it, sequence and scene. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful, and please, if you have any comments or you have anything in mind, just share it with us on our channels. Also, we would like, if you like this video, just don't forget to press like and subscribe to our channel just for futures updates and whatever upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.